Today has been a long day and I am looking forward to my evening routine. I'm gonna attempt to take out the braids and wash my hair. Hopefully it just works out because I am tired. So I already started cutting because it's gonna be a long night. I feel like I should just leave it like this. It looks cute, right? Yeah? Just shape it up and leave it like this. I like this length. No. Okay, peeps, it is now 6:31. Kind of cut it. Now I'm just gonna try and, I never knew how annoying it would be to take out these pretty little things, but it was so cute when I was doing it. It was so cute. So the first one is out, people. First one is out. And this happened because to get this, she had shaped it up. Like she had to cut around it. And I realized that she cut my hair. Because when I was doing this came out. See what happens when you're trying to be cute and have a cute hairstyle. First one's out. 999 left. What is this? I cannot bother. I cannot bother.
그래 미소에 난 취한 것 같아